Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the AGT toolbox. It makes 3 devices in one pack. One device is with a mirror and an additional part to make things see at a distance of half meter or so. Another tool is for the magnetic device. You can switch some screws with it or grab it by using the magnetic power. And the third device is made for lights, LED. Nice and easy to use, as you can see. It's an additional mirror on the top, and there is an awesome additional thing to make expandable thing. Renewal. Oh yeah, you can shift it out and shift it back in position, and then you can look about 1 meter, half meter, until 1 meter under your engine, for example, or some other things. And this is the LED spot on top, and it's renewable too. And you can use so much extension and then rotate the top. And as you can see, the LED flash is looking light up your way to find some stuff down there in the engine room, for example. Extension able too. And this is the LED spot. Nice gimmick, really nice. And the third device is this is a magnetic stick. There it is. For example, we can see this is metal, and metal will have a force with the magnetic point on top, and it's extensional too. And as you can see, you can grab with magnetic power some stuff. What are you going to lose in the future? Nice and easy to use, but awesome product, really. I like it. I bought it. So 3-in-1 AGT toolbox with extensions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.